Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Blueair filter is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in maintaining a healthy indoor environment, silently working to capture airborne particles and allergens, ensuring the air you breathe is consistently clean and fresh, making it an essential upgrade for anyone serious about their home's air quality and overall well-being. Number 5. Blueair Blueair 411 Plus Replacement Filter. This is the genuine replacement filter from Blueair. It's specifically designed for your Blueair 411 Auto, 411, and 411 Plus models. It features both particle and activated carbon filtration. This powerful combination ensures comprehensive air purification. This filter effectively helps reduce common allergens and dust particles in your home. It works to keep your air cleaner. Beyond particles, it also tackles unpleasant odors. You can enjoy fresher, more inviting indoor air. Replacing it is incredibly easy. This ensures you can maintain optimal purifier performance and cleaner indoor air effortlessly. What we like. This filter offers dual filtration, tackling both particles and odors effectively. If you have pets or frequently cook, you should consider this for a fresher home environment. It's also incredibly easy to replace, making maintenance a breeze. What people say. No positive points could be extracted as the source JSON for reviews is empty. No positive points could be extracted as the source JSON for reviews is empty. Number 4. Blueair Classic 400 Series Particle Filter. This is the genuine particle replacement filter, specifically designed for your Blueair Classic 400 Series air purifier. It ensures optimal performance and a perfect fit for models like the 480i, 402, and others. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this filter guarantees high standards of quality and reliability. You can trust its construction to deliver consistent air purification. For the best air purification and to maintain your unit's efficiency, always choose genuine replacement filters. They are engineered to work seamlessly with your Blueair system. This particle filter effectively captures a wide range of airborne contaminants. It significantly reduces pollen, dust, pet dander, mold spores, viruses, and bacteria from your indoor environment. To ensure continuous clean air, it's recommended to replace your filter every 6 months. However, usage patterns might influence the ideal replacement schedule for it. Its innovative low-density design allows air to pass through with less resistance. This not only saves energy but also ensures your air purifier operates more efficiently. What we like. This one is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. If you prioritize supporting domestic manufacturing and need robust particle filtration, this is an excellent choice. Its energy-saving design also means lower electricity bills over time. What people say. No positive product reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON for reviews was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 3. Blueair Blueair 311 Auto Replacement Filter. This is a genuine Blueair filter, specifically designed for your Blueair 311 Auto air purifier. It ensures optimal performance and consistent clean air throughout your home. Enjoy significantly cleaner, fresher air for everyone in your home. It removes an impressive 99.97% of airborne particles like dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander. Thanks to its activated carbon filter, this product also helps reduce unwanted household odors. Say goodbye to lingering smells and enjoy a fresher environment. Independently tested and HAM certified, it delivers consistent clean air. This filter is also Zero Ozone certified and Quiet Mark approved, ensuring reliable quality. This replacement filter is engineered to ensure optimal airflow and trusted filtration performance. It helps capture pollutants and odors exactly as intended by your Blueair unit. From the most awarded air purifier brand in the US, you can trust its quality. It is part of a system designed to improve your home's air quality effectively. What we like. This filter boasts HAM certification, guaranteeing its performance and reliability. If you are looking for independently verified air purification and superior particle removal, this one delivers. Its HEPA silent technology ensures powerful cleaning without disruptive noise. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to fulfill the request. The source JSON for product reviews was empty, preventing the extraction of any positive points regarding the Blueair filter replacement 411. Number 2. Blueair F4 Max filter for 411i 411a Max. This genuine replacement filter is specifically designed for your Blueair 411i Max and 411a Max air purifiers. It ensures optimal performance, efficient filtration, and consistent clean air throughout your home. Featuring HEPA silent dual filtration, it works tirelessly to improve your indoor air quality. This advanced system captures a wide range of airborne contaminants. It effectively removes 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, smoke, mold allergens, and pet dander. Enjoy a healthier environment for your family and pets. The integrated activated carbon filter actively reduces common household odors. Say goodbye to cooking smells, pet odors, and other unpleasant scents, leaving your home smelling fresh. Independently tested and AHAM certified, it delivers consistent clean air with zero ozone emissions. It also boasts quiet mark approval, ensuring reliable air quality improvement without disruption. Using genuine replacement filters ensures your Blueair purifier operates as intended. It helps maintain optimal airflow and trusted filtration performance, capturing pollutants effectively. Keep your air purifier running at peak performance with effortless auto delivery every 6 months. Subscribe today and save 20% on your first filter order, ensuring continuous fresh air. What we like. Specifically designed for the 411 Max series, this filter ensures perfect compatibility and peak performance. If you own a 411i Max or 411a Max and want consistent, top-tier filtration, this is your go-to. Plus, it offers a convenient subscribe and save option for effortless filter replacement. What people say. Number 1. Blueair F2 Max filter for 211i Max purifiers. Ensure your Blueair 211i Max air purifier performs its best with this genuine replacement filter. It's specifically designed for optimal performance and consistent clean air throughout your home. Experience cleaner, fresher air for everyone in your home. This filter removes 99.97% of airborne particles like dust, pollen, smoke, mold allergens, and pet dander. Say goodbye to unwanted smells. Its activated carbon layer effectively reduces common household odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. Trust in its independently tested and certified performance. This filter delivers consistent clean air without producing any ozone, ensuring reliable air quality improvement. This filter is engineered to work seamlessly with your Blueair purifier. Using genuine filters ensures proper airflow and maintains the unit's intended filtration capabilities. Please note, this filter is exclusively for Blueair 211i Max purifiers. It is not compatible with Blueair 211 Plus or 211 Plus auto models. Keep your air purifier running at peak performance with effortless auto delivery. You can save 20% on your first order and receive new filters every 6 months. What we like. This filter is tailored for the 211i Max series, ensuring optimal fit and function. If you prioritize a filter from an independently tested and most awarded air purifier brand, this choice offers peace of mind. It's also zero ozone certified, ensuring no harmful byproducts are released into your air. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.